Fluently English. Hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel Fluently English. In this video you will listen to some daily conservation and improve your English speaking skills. So let's start.
Basic introduction.
Good morning, Sarah. How are you today?
Good morning, sir. I'm doing well.
How was your weekend?
It was great. I spent time with my family.
How long have you been working here?
I have been working here for 6 months.
Where are you from?
I am from New York, but I moved here last year.
Are you comfortable with your workspace?
Yes, everything is perfect. Thank you for asking.
Have you had your coffee yet?
Yes, I have. It helps me start the day fresh.
How do you like working here so far?
I really enjoy it. The team is very supportive.
What do you like most about your job?
I love working with my team and learning new things every day.
Do you enjoy working in a team employee?
Yes, I like teamwork because it helps in sharing ideas and learning from others.
What skills are you currently working on improving?
I am working on improving my presentation and leadership skills.
Personal interests and hobbies.
What do you like to do in your free time?
One, enjoy reading books and traveling.
What kind of books do you like to read?
I love reading fiction and self-improvement books.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like painting and cooking in my free time.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I love visiting new places and learning about different cultures.
What's your dream travel destination?
I would love to visit Paris one day.
Do you like sports or outdoor activities?
Yes, I enjoy jogging and doing yoga.
Do you prefer spending time alone or with friends?
I like both, but I enjoy spending time with friends.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy listening to pop and classical music.
Do you watch movies or TV shows in your free time?
Yes, I love watching comedy and drama series.
Work-life balance and future plans.
How do you manage work-life balance?
I try to finish my tasks on time and keep my weekends free for personal activities.
Do you prefer working from home or the office?
I enjoy working in the office because I can collaborate better with my team.
What motivates you to do your best at work?
I like achieving goals and learning new things every day.
Do you have any long-term career goals?
Yes, I would like to grow into a leadership role in the future.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I hope to be in a managerial position leading my own team.
Are you interested in learning new skills?
Yes, I am currently improving my presentation and communication skills.
What is your biggest career achievement so far?
Successfully leading a marketing campaign that brought great results.
What's one thing you would change about your job?
Maybe fewer meetings, so we have more time to focus on work.
Do you enjoy taking on new challenges?
Yes, I like learning new things and improving my skills.
What is your definition of success?
Success is achieving my goals while maintaining happiness and balance in life.
It was great talking to you, Sarah. Keep up the good work.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate your time and advice.
Have a great day, and see you tomorrow.
You too, goodbye.
Thanks for watching videos. Like, subscribe, share.